is where you guys gotta be smooth. Don't break my window. Watch me die. Yeah. This is not gonna work.
We nearly dropped that beam installing it, but now that it's in, it's totally transformed the room. My name is Jason, and this is Learn, Build, Repeat, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how we did it step by step. We bought this house with the intention of turning this bedroom into our son's nursery. It has this massive vaulted ceiling that both me and my wife would agree would look fantastic with a beam up there, and so we decided to build one. Okay, here's the plan. I'm going to take these white oak boards and assemble them into a hollow beam. This is really important because I intend to attach mounting points to the ceiling screwed into the studs that I can then take this hollow beam and slide it over these mounting points like a sleeve. And then I should be able to drill through the white oak beam into those mounting blocks and everything should be nice and secure. All right, now you know what we're doing. Let's get started. Step 1, take some measurements. Okay, unfortunately, I made a little mistake. I left that gap right there. Definitely unfortunate, but what I can do is I can fill it in with some of the sawdust from this and it'll look just the same. So I just literally put glue there and then I'm gonna sand it without the dust extractor hooked up, and then honestly, you probably won't even be able to notice. So I'm gonna fix that and then we're gonna keep going. So there's going to be 4 supports for this beam up there, screwed into the studs. If one of them can hold about half, I think 4 of them should be more than sufficient to hold it and keep it safe. So I'm going to put the other ones in, and then we're going to try and lift this beam up. So I realized that these little ropes that I've set up that are looped through those hooks way up there, I'm not sure if you can see them, probably not going to do it because I'm going to have to raise and lower this thing many times to get it just right. So I bought these guys. These are block and tackle. I have 2 of them for each of the hooks so that I can raise and lower it with ease. It's 8-to-1, so it should be very easy to raise. So I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse while I get these installed. See you in a bit. Okay, I have it set up. I actually had to do 4-to-1 because if I did 8-to-1 on the block and tackle ratio or whatever it is, I actually didn't have enough rope. I'm sure 4-to-1 will be more than plenty since I have 2 of them. So I haven't tried it yet. I'm gonna do it the first time with you guys, but here's what it looks like. All right, let's try my first lift. Okay, that was the test fit. I didn't show you guys what was going on up there just because I only have 2 hands and I needed both for the wire or both for the rope, so I couldn't move the camera. I would say that's a fairly successful first test lift. I just want to see if it would actually work, and I want to see if the rough length of the beam was correct. And it looks like it is. I'll probably have to trim it about 1/2 inch, I think, but it looks like it's pretty good. But now I'm gonna need some help because I need to be up there at the same time as people are pulling on these ropes. So I'm going to call some friends and we're gonna continue this.
All right. So it will just fit. So the plan is you're gonna raise your side like maybe 5 feet higher than Sam's until we get to the window and we can slide it in there.
Okay.
Then I'll go up on the ladder and do the stuff up top. But we're gonna pause it when it's over my head just for a quick thumbnail.
And then we're gonna drop it.
No, we're not.
Get a better thumbnail.
Can you, is it too hard for you to lift? Did you got it?
No.
You got it, okay. You're gonna lift way faster than him now, by the way. Watch me die.
Yeah.
This is not gonna work. You're not ready to drill it in.
Yeah.
And then you gotta put the wires in. You're just not gonna.
Yeah, you can. Well, he can at least test to see if it'll work.
I mean, I feel like this is a good test run, but I think we need to rethink a strategy here.
I need this hole a lot wider and then...
You need like a cradle underneath it, like a strap.
Well, you can use the rope and swoop it around and go through the pulley again.
Oh, it's too...
It's too heavy. I need another ladder. And this hole needs to be a lot bigger.
Okay.
Hang on. You're on the first step down. You're about 3 feet from the other one. If somebody went up this side, you turn the ladder this way. You
Oh,
get
yeah.
somebody over here, somebody over there.
Yeah, but then you're gonna be lifting like back like this, and that would be...
No, you're lifting
hard to
straight
do.
up.
Alright, I think we're good. One more time.
Actually, what you can do. Alright.
You guys ready?
You said it. It's definitely not.
You good? Yep.
I'm gonna do
It doesn't drop as easy either. It holds this position.
You gotta go up with yours.
No, make it level.
It's gotta be level.
Keep going up now. He's gotta be level.
Okay.
Oh,
Ready?
travel.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, pause there.
Okay.
Yes.
Nice, it's in.
Nah! Let's freaking go!
You can look.
How's it going, guys? It's the next day. The beam's in, I put the chandelier in, and I've even trimmed out the little edge pieces, and it looks fantastic. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but I will show you some B-roll in about 3 seconds. If you like this content, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for updates on the channel. Thank you guys, and see you next time.